friends, today we're going to be making this hand dish scrubby. It is a small two-way, I guess, scrubby to wash your dishes, your face, your body. I wanted to share with you guys because I thought it was kind of nifty. You're going to need two types of yarn. I love this cotton and a scrubby cotton as well. You're going to use both of them, a 6mm crochet hook, scissors, yarn needle, and we're going to get started. It's quick, easy. You're going to need to make two of these. I have one worked up and I'm going to show you how to make the second one. We're going to start with a slip knot and then we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to join with a slip stitch and then work this regular cotton tail up and in between and around. We're going to lock everything in place by chaining 3, 2, 3. The cotton tail is the one we're going to end up pulling tight. We're going to work one more double crochet next to that and a chain 1. Next is 2 double crochets and chain 1. 2 and a chain 1. 1, 2 and a chain 1. We're going to continue until we have 6 sets of 2 double crochet and a chain 1. I've just finished off with 2 double crochet and a chain to make a total of 6. So I'm going to slip stitch into the chain 3 made from the previous row. We're going to slip stitch to get to the chain 1. So slip stitch over to this double crochet, now over to this chain 1. We are going to begin row 2. Before I do that, I'm going to take this one single string here and I'm going to pull it nice and tight. That's going to close up our loop. I'm going to chain 3. We're going to work one more double crochet, a chain 1, and 2 double crochets in the same space. One more double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochets in the same space. We're going to skip into this next chain space. We're going to work 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. We're going to skip to the next. We're going to do it again, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. I'm going to continue this all the way around. We're going to slip stitch to join and slip stitch over to our chain space. Now we're going to chain 3 and work 2 more double crochets and a chain 1. 1, this counts as a double crochet. 2, 3, chain 1. 1, skip and make 3 double crochets. 2, 3, chain 1. Skip to the center of your 4 double crochets. 2, 3, and chain 1. We're going to continue working 3 double crochet in every stitch, every chain space of the row. I'll be back. Now that we have our 2 rounds, we are going to find the right side and the wrong side, and then we're going to join it with a double crochet. Okay, so we're going to look. I have mine staggered. They're not exactly even. instead of it being where all my stitches and the holes line up, it's just one off. Okay, so I have them staggered like that, and I'm gonna join and make a double crochet, the slip stitch. Oops, I forgot to yarn over first. Yarn over, go under, and then go through. We're gonna add it on, go through both of them, and work a double crochet. Okay. We're gonna yarn over, go into our next stitch, go over to the second stitch, pull up, and work our double crochet. We're gonna yarn over, go through the first stitch, and now we're coming to our third one of these right here. Here on the third space, we're going to yarn over and do 2 stitches in every third stitch to make it round. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Now we're working a second double crochet in that stitch. 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be a double crochet, another one. You're going to continue to go around until you're on the first stitch and the last stitch, and you have like 2.5 sets. For me, this is perfect. You're going to want to kind of size it to your hand. You can do 3 in between. You could do 2. I chose to stop at like 2.5. And I'm going to go around and continue, and then I'll show you what I did here is instead of pulling to both, I ended up just working then on one side. Back. I've marked, I've got as far as I want to go to close this. You can even close this up and make a really nice thick one, but as I said, I want my hand to be in it. I'm going to just stop working on both of them and start working on just the top one. I'm going to work my same pattern, 2, 3, and this third one gets 2 double crochets. 1, 2, 2 double crochets. Continue around and join, and you are done. My yarn, slip stitch to join, and that's it. That's our glove, scrubby, perfect for a plate, base, maybe, I don't know, body.